Ever looked at your video and thought, why isn't anyone clicking? 9 out of 10 times, it's the thumbnail. Your thumbnail is your billboard on YouTube. If it doesn't grab attention, your amazing content stays hidden. Today, I'll show you how to make thumbnails that stop the scroll, even if you can't design. By the end, you'll know how to make thumbnails that pop, get clicks, and actually grow your channel. If that sounds good, hit the subscribe button. I share just honest YouTube real talk every week. Alright, let's jump in. Before we start designing, let's talk about why thumbnails matter so much. YouTube looks at something called CTR, meaning click-through rate. That's how many people click your video after seeing it. Even if your content is fire, a boring thumbnail can bury it. A great thumbnail does 3 things. Number 1, it shows the video's idea instantly. Number 2, it sparks curiosity. And number 3, it stands out on the home feed. Keep it clean and bold. No clutter, no tiny text. Use bright colors, contrast, and emotion. Even a simple stick figure with the right facial expression can pull attention fast. When people stop and click, YouTube notices, and that's how your channel grows. Let's break down the key parts of a clickable thumbnail. Number 1, background. Keep it clean. Use a solid color or gentle gradient. For stick figure art, a plain tone works best. It keeps focus where it matters. Number 2, main subject. That's your character or object. Don't center it perfectly. Slightly off-center looks more natural and draws the eye. Number 3, text overlay. Short and punchy. 3 to 5 words max. Things like get more clicks or thumbnail secrets. Use bold fonts and high contrast. That's what makes it pop. Number 4, colors. Contrast is your best friend. Light text on dark background, or the other way around. Avoid dull or similar tones that blend together. Number 5, visual emotion or cue. Use arrows, circles, or motion lines. Even a tiny pointing gesture from your stick figure helps guide attention. Clarity always beats clutter. If someone can't tell what your thumbnail means in 1 second, simplify it. Here is an easy thumbnail workflow you can follow every time. Step 1. Choose your main scene, maybe your main character at a computer if your video is about content creation. Step 2. Pick a simple background, plain color, soft gradient, or texture. Nothing that distracts. Step 3. Add your text, keep it short and bold. Step 4. Add emphasis, arrows, circles, or motion lines to point out the key part. Step 5. Test for phones. Shrink it down. If you can't read it on your phone, fix it. Over 70% of viewers watch on phone, so this step is huge and important. Follow this same process every time. It keeps your thumbnails consistent, professional, and fast to make. After a few tries, you'll be making thumbnails that work. Here are a few quick tips to boost your click-through rate even higher. 1. Stay consistent. Use similar fonts, colors, and layouts so viewers instantly recognize your videos. 2. Add curiosity. Use emotion. A surprise stick figure plus short text like big mistake makes people want to find out more. 3. Keep it simple. Don't overcrowd. One strong idea beats a busy thumbnail every time. 4. Show the result. If your video is about growth, show progress visually, like a stick figure holding a 1,000 plus views sign or an upward arrow. These small tweaks can double your click-through rate, and once YouTube sees people clicking, it rewards you with more reach. So, quick recap. Thumbnails decide whether people click or scroll away. Keep your text bold and short. Use contrast and emotion to stand out. Guide the viewer's eye with arrows or gestures. And don't forget to test for phone. Follow these simple steps and you'll start noticing a difference. More clicks, more views, more growth. If this video helped, drop a like and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point YouTube growth tips. And if you want me to make a behind-the-scenes video showing exactly how I design my thumbnails using AI tools, comment below. I might make that next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.